How to list hotel on Tripadvisor. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to list hotel on Tripadvisor. So first, you need to create an account, sign up using your Gmail or connect your Google account. And this is Tripadvisor dashboard. What you're going to do is you have to scroll down and look at the Explore section. Here you will see this add a place. So what you're going to do is you have to click this one right here. Once you tap this, then basically the next thing to do is you have to enter information. First, location details. So you're going to add the location details here. First is, of course, the name of your hotel, which category, accommodation, hotel, and then adding something else. Everything is up to you. So you can also tap this one, and basically it will take you to another page. You will see here the FAQs or rules and regulations of TripAdvisor. Now let's go back, and then what you're going to do is add the address right here. You can type it or you can add it manually. You can add address line too, but this one is optional. And then here you need to add your city, town, and also your country, and of course the postal code. But for postal code, this one is optional. Important is address, city, town, and country. And then you can tap this yes, I am a representative of this place, and then save and continue. After that, you can now proceed with the contract and hours. So contact information, you can add a website right here, but this one is optional. And also availability, you need to add here. And then after that, what you're going to do is you have to click submit. Now, here's the thing, the approval process for adding a new place on TripAdvisor typically takes 1 to 8 weeks, depending on several factors, such as the completeness of the information you provided, TripAdvisor's current review workload, and the verification process. However, this time frame may vary, and it's a good idea to monitor your submission status in your account or look out for email notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.